How to mass unfollow on Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Then you want to go to your profile, and right here you can see there is following. You can also unfollow everyone one by one, but what you can do is you want to go ahead and tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, and then you want to tap on settings. After that, you will reach to this page where you want to tap on help. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on report a problem. Now go ahead and tap on report a problem. You can tap on include and continue, or tap on don't include and continue. Then you want to go ahead and type something here that is related to your problem. For me, I'm typing please help me to unfollow all my followers at once. Then tap on send. Sometimes Instagram will work immediately after you complete, and sometimes it may take a long time, that is up to a week. So that is how you can mass unfollow on Instagram. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.